Now in the end, the poet just asks us that I will count up to 12. The poet will be counting up to 12. Again the time frame, time zone, and you keep quiet and I will go. He asks us that what he will do? We have to keep quiet and he will go away. In this poem, we see so many alliterations. We would, sudden strangeness, hurt hands, and so many alliterations are there in the poem. Okay, and there is personification, that is earth. So, an special meaning to have no truck with means to refuse to associate or deal with, to refuse to tolerate something. Yes. See, dear ones, there are so many important questions related to this poem. The first question is, what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? Actually, when we count up to 12, it takes a very short span of time. So, the poet appeals us to take only a short time to think and rethink, to introspect and retrospect about our actions and activity, and keeping still will help us achieve. Suppose when we are calm and quiet, then we think whatever we have done, whether it was right or it was wrong. We don't need anyone else to suggest us. Rather, we can understand our actions. The second question is, do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? No, not at all. The poet is very much frank and clear about it, that he does not associate with death. He has nothing to do with death. Why? Because life means movement, mobility. The third question is, what is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? Sadness. Just see, this is very important. What? In this world, in this universe, we don't exploit others, rather, we go on exploiting ourselves also. And that's why, anyhow, we want that our life should move on, going on, and ultimately it brings what? Frustration and depression, and ultimately just there is chances of death. We are afraid of death. So this huge silence will break this sadness. Now the fourth question is, what symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? The earth itself. Why? The earth has been personified here. We see that there is change of time frame, morning to noon and evening, ultimately night, change of day, change of week, month, and ultimately there is change of season. Just see, during winter season when everything is frozen, it appears that trees and birds and just fruits and flowers and leaves all are sleeping. Just as the month changes, as the season changes, there is change in the face of earth. So this is a very great example, big example to show that when everything appears to be silent and after that it appears to be live. Now, as I think I have tried to explain this poem to you, my dear ones, try to understand, reread it and rethink, because it is very much applicable to our modern lives. Thank you. Keep on learning, keep on watching. Thank you and have a nice day.